saved it. Hi, my name is Andrew, and today we're going to be doing yo-yoing. Okay guys, we're not actually yo-yoing, we gotta hill the potatoes. Okay guys, what I mean by hilling the potatoes, we're going to be taking compost and putting the compost around the potatoes, because the potatoes are going to go in the compost, because when the potatoes will heal, they're going to keep growing and growing to like this tall. Well, sure. So yeah, that's what we mean by hilling the potatoes. So this is an example. So yeah, we're just going to be taking the compost and just putting it around them. See, not actually on top of them. There may be some compost on top of it, but that's okay. As another example, as you can see, this plant is tall. And it's gonna keep growing under here. This is where we're gonna be getting the potatoes. But if we put compost just like around it, then more potatoes are gonna be coming up on the compost. So yeah, that's how you get more potatoes to grow. So we're gonna be covering up like half the plant, and you don't just want to get around it. You want to like try to get in like the middle of the plant. I'm just gonna cover those ones up all the way. May the 4th be with you. Oh, that's a good one. What are we gonna be doing with these potatoes? I feel like there should be some worms in here. Right? Shouldn't there be worms in the compost?
Could be.
Because so far I don't see any worms. Okay guys, so yeah, that's all. And I got a yo-yo yesterday at school. This guy's his name is Ned. See, Ned. Okay, yeah. So that's all we got for today. Make sure to tell everybody about me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.